Welcome, adventurers, to another video on our channel and to the heart of the Amazon rainforest. This is episode 3 of the Amazon Rainforest trilogy. Here, under a canopy so thick that a raindrop can take 10 minutes to reach the forest floor, lies a unique world. A mosaic of life woven over millennia. The Amazon is a symphony of sounds, a kaleidoscope of colors, and a testament to the power of nature. It is a kingdom where jaguars lurk in the dense undergrowth, where macaws paint the sky with their plumage, and where every inch pulsates with life. But this paradise, like so many others on Earth, faces a growing number of threats. From the insidious threat of invasive species to the devastating impact of deforestation, the Amazon is engaged in a fight for survival. Join us now as we delve into the depths of this extraordinary ecosystem, exploring its wonders, uncovering its secrets, and confronting the challenges that threaten its very existence. The Amazon rainforest, a masterpiece of biodiversity, thrives on a delicate balance perfected over millions of years. Looking at this green vastness, we might ask ourselves, are there invasive species in the Amazon rainforest? Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the mighty jaguar, plays a crucial role in maintaining this intricate web of life. However, this balance is under threat, not from predators we can easily see, but from invaders, often small and seemingly insignificant, that can wreak havoc on this finely tuned ecosystem. These are the invasive species, organisms that, once introduced, can multiply rapidly, competing with native species for resources and disrupting the delicate balance of the rainforest. The introduction of such species can lead to a cascade of unintended consequences, impacting not just individual species, but the entire ecosystem, potentially pushing some of the Amazon's unique and irreplaceable inhabitants to the brink of extinction. Invasive species don't always arrive with sharp claws and teeth. Some, like the water hyacinth, arrive cloaked in deceptive beauty. This floating aquatic plant, with its lilac flowers, may seem harmless, even picturesque, but its impact on the Amazonian waterways is far from benign. The water hyacinth reproduces at an alarming rate, quickly covering the surface of rivers and lakes. This dense layer of vegetation prevents sunlight from reaching the water below, suffocating native plant life and disrupting the delicate balance of the aquatic ecosystem. Fish populations suffer as their breeding grounds and food sources disappear. Oxygen levels in the water plummet, further stressing aquatic life. And the once vibrant waterways, teeming with life, become stagnant, suffocated pools. The water hyacinth serves as a stark reminder that even the smallest of invaders, disguised by its seeming innocence, can pose a significant threat to the intricate web of life that makes the Amazon rainforest so unique. The invasion of foreign species presents a big challenge for the Amazon rainforest and its inhabitants. Native species, having evolved over thousands of years in isolation, are often not ready to compete with these newcomers. The introduction of the Africanized honeybee, for example, has had a big impact on the native bee populations of the Amazon rainforest. This aggressive species, known for its tendency to sting, competes with native bees for resources, pushing them out of their hives and harming the crucial role they play in pollination. This displacement has far-reaching consequences, affecting not just the bees themselves, but also the plants that rely on them for pollination. The delicate balance of the rainforest, carefully crafted over ages, is thrown into disarray. But hope is not lost. Scientists and environmentalists are working tirelessly to monitor and control the spread of invasive species, striving to lessen the damage already done and protect the amazing biodiversity of the Amazon rainforest for future generations. The Amazon rainforest attracts adventurers and nature lovers, promising an immersive experience like no other. Its allure is undeniable, a chance to witness firsthand the raw power and unmatched biodiversity of this natural wonder. So is it possible to visit the Amazon rainforest? But venturing into this fragile ecosystem requires careful consideration. The impact of human presence, if not managed responsibly, can have lasting consequences on the delicate balance of the rainforest. That's why it's crucial to choose sustainable tourism options that prioritize the well-being of the environment and the communities that call it home. Ecotourism, with its focus on responsible travel and minimal environmental impact, offers a way to experience the magic of the Amazon rainforest while protecting its future. Visiting the Amazon rainforest is not about conquering nature, but about connecting with it. It's about embracing the tranquility of the rainforest, marveling at its intricate tapestry of life, and understanding the importance of preserving this irreplaceable treasure. Every step we take, every interaction we have, leaves a mark. It is our responsibility to ensure that our presence does not disturb the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Staying on designated trails helps minimize our impact on the forest floor, preventing erosion and protecting delicate plant life. Keeping a respectful distance from wildlife allows animals to carry out their natural behaviors undisturbed. And by avoiding littering or introducing foreign substances into the environment, we help maintain the pristine beauty of the rainforest for future generations. The future of the Amazon rainforest doesn't just rest on the shoulders of scientists and environmentalists, but on the collective actions of every individual who ventures into its embrace. By choosing sustainable options and adopting responsible practices, tourists can become guardians of the rainforest, contributing to its preservation and supporting the communities that depend on it. By engaging with local communities, learning about their traditions and challenges, and supporting their efforts to protect their ancestral home, we can promote a sense of shared responsibility for the well-being of the Amazon. The rainforest, with its inspiring beauty and unparalleled biodiversity, offers us a glimpse of a world untouched by the excesses of human development. Are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the like button now so YouTube knows you liked it and can share it with more people. It is our duty, as visitors and as citizens of this planet, to ensure that its wonders endure, not just for our enjoyment, but for the well-being of all life on Earth. The Amazon rainforest, a fortress of biodiversity, is under siege. Human activities, driven by short-term profits, are leaving a permanent mark on this once pristine ecosystem. Deforestation for agriculture, logging, and mining is the most urgent threat facing the Amazon rainforest today. In 2024, the Amazon recorded 5,043,525 hectares burned, which is larger than Costa Rica. The region also had more than 61,000 fire spots between January 1st and August 30th. The danger of fire in the Amazon is considered the greatest since 1980. The global scientific study, State of Wildfires, points out that the climate emergency has increased the likelihood of conditions that intensified fires in the region by up to 20 times. In 2022, the Amazon lost almost 3,000 soccer fields of forest per day, which was the most deforestation in 15 years. In 2024, an area of 4,600 square kilometers is at high, very high, or medium risk of deforestation in the Amazon, which would be the equivalent of cutting down more than 1,000 soccer fields of forest per day. Trees that have existed for centuries, giants that have withstood countless storms, are felled, leaving behind a scarred and vulnerable landscape. This relentless attack has far-reaching consequences, not just for the Amazon rainforest, but for the entire planet. How does deforestation affect the environment and the Amazon rainforest? The amazing life in the Amazon rainforest is all connected, with each species depending on the others to survive. Cutting down the rainforest tears this delicate web apart, leaving countless creatures without homes and in danger. As the forest shrinks, so do the hunting grounds of jaguars, the nesting sites of harpy eagles, and the food sources of countless insects, amphibians, and reptiles. Habitat loss forces animals into smaller and smaller areas, increasing competition for fewer and fewer resources. Some species, unable to adapt, face the looming threat of extinction. The loss of even a single species makes the entire ecosystem less diverse and less resilient. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns. Why is the destruction of the Amazon rainforest impacting the whole world? The rainforest acts as a huge carbon sink, absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, deforestation disrupts this delicate balance, transforming the Amazon rainforest from a carbon sink into a carbon source. When trees are cut down and burned, they release the carbon they have stored for centuries back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect and accelerating climate change. The consequences are already being felt worldwide, from rising sea levels to more extreme weather events. The fate of the Amazon rainforest is inextricably linked to our own. Protecting this vital ecosystem is not just an act of conservation, but an act of self-preservation. The Amazon rainforest's influence reaches far beyond its borders. The moisture released by its trees contributes to rainfall patterns across South America, impacting the agriculture and water resources of millions of people. The Amazon rainforest is home to an amazing variety of life. It's a biodiversity hotspot like no other place on Earth. 1 out of every 10 known species on our planet can be found in this vibrant ecosystem. From jaguars lurking in the undergrowth to macaws soaring through the sky, the Amazon is a symphony of life in all its forms. Scientists believe that there are still countless species waiting to be discovered in the depths of the Amazon rainforest. New species of insects, amphibians, and even mammals are regularly identified, highlighting the vast scale of biodiversity that is yet to be explored. This unmatched biodiversity is not just a source of wonder, but also a potential treasure trove of medical and scientific discoveries. Within the complex chemical compounds of the rainforest's plants and animals are potential cures for diseases and solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. The destruction of the Amazon rainforest is a global tragedy. It's a loss that reaches far beyond the borders of Brazil. It's a stark reminder of how interconnected our planet is and the huge impact of human actions on the natural world. Protecting this irreplaceable ecosystem requires a united global effort. Governments, companies, and individuals all have a role to play in ensuring the survival of the Amazon rainforest. Sustainable practices, responsible consumption, and a commitment to conservation are essential to preserve this vital part of our planet for future generations. The indigenous communities who have called the Amazon home for centuries hold invaluable knowledge about the rainforest and its delicate balance. Their voices must be heard, their rights respected, and their traditional knowledge incorporated into conservation efforts. The Amazon rainforest, a place of immense beauty, biodiversity, and ecological importance, is on a tightrope. Its destiny is in our hands. We have the power to choose a different path, one that prioritizes conservation, sustainability, and the well-being of people and the planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Did you like this video? Then like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you're already subscribed, participate in our poll on the community tab of the channel and help us decide the theme of the next video. Let's all strive to be better guardians of our planet, and share this video with your friends and family. Together we can make a difference. See you in the next video.